At Rhythm, listening to customers isn't just a tagline, it's in our DNA. Our customers told us it was hard to preview the data in a billing run and have visibility into the specific records that would be affected. If they happened to realize a small subset of data was incorrect, they'd have to restart the entire process and lose valuable time. Plus, performance errors and system bugs made it difficult to trust their billing processes. So, what did we do? We designed Rhythm's billing engine with a clean and simple interface so that you can clearly see your data. You and your team can view all the records that will have an action taken on them and approve or edit specific information before executing the billing run. We've made it easy for you to make manual edits to your billing runs, all the way down to excluding a specific member from a cycle. For visibility purposes, there will always be an action history to see the manual edits that were made to a billing run. A few additional benefits inspired by customers are the ability to send reminders to members after they've been billed, automatically charge connected cards, and send reminders to those whose cards are about to expire so that they can log in and update their information. No matter how you complete your membership billing, you need to have a clear, standard process that can consistently be repeated. Rhythm allows you to do this without locking you into rigid guidelines that can't be changed. So, let's jump into the product. I'm in the Setup section of the membership app. If I expand the Billing tab, I'll see Templates. A template allows me to select predefined parameters for billing runs I do on a regular basis, saving me valuable time. Let's take a closer look at a billing run template. Let's say I work for an association that functions on an anniversary renewal system. I'd want to have a membership renewals template that I use every month. If my process changes and I want to update the template, I can easily do so by clicking the green pencil icon on the right. Let's look over some of the template options. When the Generate Renewal Order option is enabled, I can set the parameters for who the system should generate an invoice for. In this case, it'll generate invoices for everyone with expiration dates starting on the billing run date until 60 days after the billing run date. In a template, we can select relative timeframes. Specific dates will be pre-populated depending on when you go to execute a billing run. I'll make sure the renewal notice is selected, which signifies the type of email that will be automatically sent to members. I also want to check the box for pro forma invoices, which means the system won't count any of these renewal invoices as revenue until they've actually been paid. Once I save the template, I can use it for all of my billing runs moving forward. Next, let's look at recurring runs. This lets me schedule when to process my membership renewals so that my billing can almost run on autopilot. I'll click on the Create Recurring Billing Run button at the top of the page and give it a name. I'll call it Member Renewals. Then I'll select the renewal notice template we just reviewed. Then I'll select the pre-processing time. I'll schedule it for 3 days before I need to execute the billing run, so there's still time to review it before execution. Notices are the email notifications that are automatically triggered when a billing run is completed. A different email can be generated for renewals, drops, and reminders. You can edit and update the copy here to reflect your association's voice and tone. Now that we've looked at templates, recurring runs, and notices, let's exit Setup and go to the Membership Billing function. This function is most valuable for associations that do their membership on a calendar basis, or for when you need to create a billing run that isn't a part of your normal process. To create a billing run, we can select an existing template or start from scratch. Let's say I'm doing my yearly membership renewals. I'll use the membership renewals template to start with. Rhythm will auto-populate specific information and actions based on the information specified in the template. Of course, we can easily change any of these settings if we need to. In addition, the system will predefine the date ranges based on the schedule we've set for the template we're using. Once I review the details, I'll click Schedule Billing Run. After scheduling the billing run, I can view the status, details, statistics, and edit history. Under Actions, I can choose to exclude certain members from the billing run if needed. Let's say I have a board member or a general member who just paid over the phone. I can give them a more intuitive experience by proactively excluding them from the billing cycle by clicking Exclude next to their record. Rhythm makes it easy to manually edit a billing run based on knowledge the system may not have, without having to redo the entire process. There is a complete overview of Rhythm's billing engine. Billing is a deeply important part of your process, which is why we've built it with customer feedback at the center of our design.